I think I chose too many products for this.
Okay.
Welcome to the You Beauty YouTube channel. I am Sarah Marie Fard. This is my new series, Lucky Dear. We're gonna do a little something different today. Normally I'd be going through this bag. I don't know what's in it. There'll be 5 products and I'm gonna be creating a look. Whether I like it or not, I'm not sure. But today we actually have someone coming in with their own makeup bag and I'm gonna be taking their look from day to night in under 5 minutes. This is Cass. Cass has a lot of stuff with her, so we've already started going through just her brushes. Her brushes alone, why do you have 4 of the same thing?
I really love the whole
Actually,
brushes.
no, these are 2 of the same and then these are 2.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, so this is just for the office.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. All right, so I'm assuming this is, oh my God, I'm so sorry.
No,
I'm putting your life out on the table.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, your toothbrush.
Left over from Europe.
Put
that one back.
Let's put that travel toothbrush right back. It's still got the cover on it at least.
Yeah.
Okay. And there's toothpaste.
Yeah. Can't have enough toothpaste.
Wow, okay. Well, you're obviously a Charlotte Tilbury fan.
Yes.
So we've got foundation.
Yeah.
We've got a Rare Beauty liquid contour. That's really
Great.
good. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking Cass's look from day to night in under 5 minutes. Okay, perfect eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna be using that. Concealer.
This one.
Help me, girl.
Honestly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got 2 different colors.
We've got
one's more tan.
toothpaste. Okay, well, let's go with one that's not as tan. Okay, we're gonna go with a concealer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury contour one. This is more bronzy, so I'm gonna use this one instead of the Rare Beauty. Mascara. Don't need mascara. Let's just take that back.
Yeah, I probably already have some on.
You're good. I feel like your goodie bag has so many things, you're bound to have a highlighter here somewhere.
Oh, it's here.
Oh, girl, I knew it. Okay, so that is the
Kevin
Aucoin highlighter. Okay, brows are good. Just keep your eyes closed through this whole process.
Yeah.
Timer on. Okay. So we're gonna start with eyeshadow. I'm gonna go a deeper brown to what she's currently wearing. Little tip I used to do as a makeup artist, with a tissue underneath, there's no fallout. I am going to add a little bit of this creamy glow. Now we're gonna do concealer. I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer because at nighttime, I feel like you always need that little bit extra. I'm gonna run that just down the center here a little bit. I think I chose too many products for this. Okay. Oh, there was so much out there. Look, I'm concealing the please. Oh my goodness. Okay, add a little bit more bronzer to the side of the face. Bronzer up. I need more. Oh no.
Yeah, it blends out really easily. But
Really
more than you
easily.
think, yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God, why did you bring so many products for me to try? I got so excited. Okay. Close your eyes. Oh my God, this setting spray doesn't want to mist. How many seconds do I have?
30 seconds to go.
Okay, great. Oh my God, my hands are shaking. Okay, close your mouth at me, please. Okay, one second. Oh my God, where's the lipstick? Okay, go open your mouth. Oh. Okay, pat your lips together for me. Okay, done. Time.
Woo!
Time. We did it! Oh my God. My eyes started watering.
Wow, that was amazing. I gotta say, that was so good.
Was it?
Yeah.
Have you seen yourself
No,
yet?
I haven't,
Just
but
in
that was
case
so
you-
quick. I've never gotten ready that quickly in my
Oh
whole
my
life.
God, okay, just check that you're happy with it first. We have a bigger mirror actually.
Oh my
here.
gosh, wow.
That mirror has like seen many a Europe
seen
trip.
better
so, like-
days. Ooh,
Okay.
wow.
Are you happy?
Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Okay, good.
Look like I'm about to go get a cocktail.
Okay, I'm so happy. If I had like 30 more seconds, I actually would have used the darker lip pencil,
Yeah.
blended it like an ombre, then put the lipstick with the lip gloss.
With the lip gloss.
That would have been the only difference I would have done. Oh, and I probably would have added highlighter.
You know what? It's
But you know
fine.
what? I think
It's
this
so
is really
fine.
nice.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much.
I feel so refreshed.
Oh, good. Take a look. What do we think? I think that's a pretty good day to night makeup in 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, Cass looked amazing, if I may say so myself. I would have liked an extra minute, I think. I really wanted to use that deep liner and make like an ombre lip and add her highlighter, but I think she looked incredible. If you enjoyed that episode, please like and subscribe and write in the comments new challenges that you want me to try or even some new products that you want me to try. See you next week. Bye.